Hey cousins, so if my voice sounds different, that's because I'm just getting over a sickness. As most of y'all know, I went to Cancun, Mexico, and when I got back, I was down bad a week straight. I was so sick. Anywho, let's hop in today's video. I'm so excited to be filming. Y'all, I just been through the absolute most these past couple of months, and I'm just like feeling really grateful to be feeling like myself today. But anywho, I have a video today that's brought to you guys by Shein.com. I'm pretty sure everyone's familiar with Shein by now, so I'll have all their information linked in my description box. And this is an affordable human hair unit. Now, it came in this box. It is pretty beat up, but let's just get right into it because I'm excited. I wanted to try something really different. I've tried a Pixi cut before, but you know, I want to try one again to see if I could style it in this vision that I have for myself. It just comes packaged in like your traditional clear packaging. Y'all seen the box, wasn't nothing special at all. And this is the unit. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm so scared. The inside of the cap literally has 1 inch of parting, so you don't get any parting. But this unit is on sale right now for $22.04, so you really cannot beat that. I would wash it, but we're just going to do a straight out of the package install. Let's try her on. Ooh, I'm so scared. I wish it was 10 inches. Ooh, I'm so scared. I'm going for like a flip over look. We'll see. We'll see. I'm excited though. You cannot choose what size cap you want, unfortunately. This is the hairline. Let me zoom in. This is how the hairline is looking. I'm just gonna go in and like tweeze it a little bit, focusing more on the right hand side because y'all know I like right side parts. You cannot do too much because you guys seen you got like maybe 1 inch of parting space or lace to work with. And then off camera, I'm going to add some foundation to the lace, and then I'll be back. I don't want to adhere this wig down all the way, so I got a fresh thing I got to be or whatever. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this got to be glued, like right here. I'm gonna start leaving out my natural hair like I used to do, like way back in the day, because the edges need some TLC in this joint. But this is the only side I'm going to adhere down a little bit. And getting his hair nice and saturated. I feel like I'm in like a transitional stage because I legit want to cut my natural hair into like a cute little short bob. So I'm going to be trying a lot more short styles because I'm just in that season, you know. Plus it's hot as heck. Well, in California, it's really ain't even been that hot lately, but it's coming. I'm gonna take my favorite curly hair mousse by Herbal Essence. It's their Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse. Looks like this. All the products I use, I'll link them in my Amazon storefront, and I'll put that in my description box. It's not as short. It's 8 inches, you know. I thought it was going to be a little bit shorter, which is like, I'm glad that it's not as short as I thought it was going to be. And I feel like the key to short looks like this is making sure like your look suits it. Like your makeup, if you wear makeup, your outfit. I want it to be fluffed out, so I'm going to have to let it air dry. I need to get me a diffuser. I'm going to probably just pull out my blow dryer and blow dry it because I want it like kind of big. But child, for under $30. Okay, Shein, we see you. Okay, we beat or whatever. All right, time to reveal. I did dry this hair off camera. Right now it's like, it took 1 or 2 minutes to dry it. Okay, for this look, I want like baby hairs, but that's part of the look that I'm going for. So let's see what I can do. The finished product, and I feel so cute. I feel so cute. Feel grown and sexy. This is how it's looking on my right hand side, the back, and this is my left hand side. Y'all have to let me know how y'all feel about this down below. I feel like I might be ready for a big chop. I did not get any I didn't get any shedding. Like, I got like a few strands of shedding. I meant to show you guys, but I threw it away. So yeah, this unit doesn't shed much, which, I mean, it's only 8 inches, so I don't expect it to shed too much. I didn't get any tangling or anything like that, but it's nothing crazy. Again, I did a straight out the package install, as you guys know, and I love her. Love her. Definitely a different vibe, but for a nice little switch up for the summer, I really like her. I like her more than the last Pixi cut unit that I tried. I had a whole vision and look in mind with this wig, so I kind of knew where I was going with it, so maybe that helped. Let me know down below how you feel about this unit. Shout out to Shein for sending me over this wig and collaborating with me. I appreciate it. And yeah, I'll have all the information to Shein and direct links to this wig. This is a must cop. If you want to try something different, something new, you want a little razzle dazzle short look in your life for under $30, human hair, you cannot lose. I'll have all Shein's information linked down below, along with my Amazon storefront, so you guys can follow along with the tutorial and use the products that I used. And yeah, share this video with anyone who you feel like will like this wig. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I want to thank you guys so much for rocking with me, and thank you to everyone who reached out to me and checked on me during one of the most trying times of my life. Losing my nephew has been an emotional roller coaster, but I'm pushing on. So thank you guys so much for the prayers, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.